Hi guys, this is Mr. Market Direction speaking, guys. So in this video, I just want to share with you guys 5 mistakes made by traders. These are common mistakes that I've seen throughout my years, and people have been repeating these mistakes. I've seen them from student to student to student. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get on with it.
So, number one, the first one is social media influences. So, the danger of this is that beginner traders have a tendency to go to social media to look for confirmation on their directional bias. Either they don't trust themselves or they're not confident in their analysis. But this is dangerous because when the opinions are contrary to their bias, they begin to look at the market from a perspective of looking for confirmation that they are wrong. And the market is made in such a way that it will give you any kind of confirmation. And most time they even change their direction. The danger of this is that the trader's confidence in their analysis is diminished, and the trader without confidence becomes a gambler. Some traders, when they start to see the success of other traders, they begin to become competitive. They rush themselves because they are in a hurry to prove themselves and end up delaying themselves in the process. Social media has delayed so many traders, guys. Don't be a part of them. They rush to flex and show profit, not realizing that they were putting themselves under pressure. And the more you try to prove to people, the more they will expect from you, which creates more pressure. So you can avoid this, guys, by just simply staying away from social media before news and to not post profits, or better yet, to totally stay away from social media, guys. You don't need to be the best to become financially free, guys, through trading. You don't need to prove yourself. Number two, the second one is ignoring the power of compounding. So what I've realized is that news traders have turned news trading into a form of gambling by pushing away the basic fundamentals of becoming profitable. Instead of setting realistic goals like making 50% to doubling your total capital every month, new age news traders want to grow their capital exponentially every month. By setting such goals, they end up risking everything on one or two trades like NFP and CPI, and in the end they only end up blowing everything and starting afresh. Others make some money and withdraw it and spend it when they should be using it to increase the lot size, guys. So guys, compounding can be applied by dividing your capital to accommodate at least 10 to 20 trades. This allows you to trade with less pressure and gives room for losses. As the capital grows, instead of withdrawing to spend, the lot sizes can be increased to grow the capital even more. So number three, guys. So the third mistake is following news outlets. So most news traders make the mistake of thinking news trading is as easy as reading or watching some news and trading according to what was published or broadcasted. If it was so easy, we'd all be billionaires by now, guys. But unfortunately, some of the news being broadcasted and published is manipulated or is simply guesses made by the analysts. It's gambling on the bets made by analysts who are paid by investors that are trading against you. So how can they give you news that will allow you to win, guys? The best thing a news trader can do is to not depend on news outlets, guys. Instead, invest in a profitable news trading strategy and push towards mastery of the strategy. And this is how you'll get an edge in trading and become profitable. So this is a lifelong investment, guys. So number four. So the fourth one is trading everything on the economic calendar. This is a common mistake among news traders. Most news traders trade just because there's news and not because they have an edge in the market. These kinds of traders may win here and there, but because they trade even when probabilities are against them, they often never become profitable. Trading even when you are not sure of conditions or having an edge is simply gambling. So I can call these types of traders news gamblers. These are not traders, guys. These guys gamble on any news they can find. It is only advisable to trade news when you have an edge, when the probability of winning is in your favor. Don't just trade because the news is popular or everyone else is trading it, like NFP or CPI, FED, all these kinds of news. So the last one is rushing to sell signals. Yeah, this one is common after a winning streak. Most traders, not only news traders, delay themselves by rushing to offer people signals. And being profitable alone doesn't really qualify you to give out signals. Because when other people's monies are involved, the pressure often becomes heavy. And when a trader trades out of pressure, they usually turn into a gambler, thus leading them to gamble with people's monies, guys. The desire to please the signal subscribers often takes over, leading them to taking reckless decisions because they want people to be satisfied and subscribe again. Sometimes it's a blessing to just trade and be profitable on your own. This will keep you from unnecessary pressure and scandals, guys. Then only when you've truly mastered the psychology of trading is it convenient to start providing signals, guys. So we really hope this was kind of helpful to you guys. If it was, just leave a like, guys, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And then we also have some services which we offer: once off lifetime signals, so you pay once and then receive signals forever. Then we also have mentorship, market direction mentorship, for those of you who are interested in learning how to trade news. So if you still have any questions, just contact us on WhatsApp and we'll be with you. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe too.